This is a quick tutorial on how to properly apply foundation. I've seen too many makeup tutorials where the makeup artist is slathering a ton of foundation on the face, which will cause clogged pores and all types of other skin issues that we just don't need. A little truly goes a long way. You put a drop on your foundation brush and you dap the areas that need the coverage, and then you go in and do what we call beat your face to the gods, girls. And you continue this process until your face is completely covered. If you have dark spots or areas of concern, you should put a little concealer prior to applying your foundation, and that gives you that flawless beat. Once you've accomplished that full coverage, then you just like to go over your areas again. Notice I've kept my eyes or the eye area for last. And I go in and I do the same thing I did for my face. So the purpose of foundation is to give you an even skin tone. And the truth is, a little really does go a long way. I hope you enjoyed this video.